Greetings on a brand new edition of Education This Week by Indic Education. I'm your host Ravina and back with a new update of events in the world of education over the last whole week. If you're new on our channel, make sure to subscribe to Indic Education and tap the bell icon so you'll never miss any of our new videos. Now, without any more delays, let's check out the headlines of education news this week. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated 9 new medical colleges in the state of Uttar Pradesh as a gift to the state people.
आज का दिन पूर्वांचल के लिए, पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश के लिए आरोग्य की डबल डोज लेकर आया है। यहां सिद्धार्थनगर में यूपी के 9 मेडिकल कॉलेज का लोकार्पण हो रहा है। इसके बाद पूर्वांचल से ही पूरे देश के लिए बहुत जरूरी ऐसा मेडिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की एक बहुत बड़ी योजना शुरू होने जा रही है और उस बड़े काम के लिए मैं यहां से आपका आशीर्वाद लेने के बाद, इस पवित्र धरती के आशीर्वाद लेने के बाद, आपसे संवाद करने के बाद काशी जाऊंगा और काशी में उस कार्यक्रम को लॉन्च करूंगा। यहां से पढ़कर निकलने वाले युवा डॉक्टरों को जन सेवा की निरंतर प्रेरणा भी देगा।
The hospitals were built with a total expense of rupees 2,329 crores. The colleges are located in Siddharthgarh, Etah, Hardoi, Pratapgarh, Fatehpur, Deoria, Ghazipur, Mirzapur and Jaunpur. The inauguration event took place in Siddharthnagar with UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Governor Anandiben Patel and State Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia. Modi also said that the 9 new hospitals will create employment of over 5,000 individuals and add on more than 2,500 hospital beds, ensuring the Purvanchal will be the hub of healthcare in North India. As part of a new initiative to internationalize the higher education system as per the National Education Policy 2020, the Karnataka Department of Collegiate and Technical Education has partnered with Montgomery County Community College in Pennsylvania, USA. The integrated twinning program was launched at the Vidhan Sauda by the State Higher Education and Skill Development Minister C.N. Ashwath Narayan in the areas of cyber security and hospitality and tourism for polytechnic students of the state. For the academic year 2021-2022, the program will be provided in the Jayachamrajendra Polytechnic College in Bengaluru, and as per the agreement between the two institutes, the student will receive integrated degree certificates from the Bengaluru College as well as Montgomery County Community College. The program will also help by providing scholarships to the deserving students who wish to complete their higher education abroad. The Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, has offered endowment scholarships on the 2nd anniversary of its endowment board. The scholarships will be awarded to 15 male and 15 female students from the BTech and dual degree program for all years of their collegiate education. The board will be setting aside Rs 3.2 crores for the scholarships as well as a seeding fund for any proposed ventures of the deserving students. The endowment program will also help the institute to connect with alumni and engage them in activities. Since all the schools in Himachal Pradesh resumed offline schooling on the 27th of September, over 634 students have tested positive with COVID. As of just Monday, the 25th of October, 78 students tested positive, of whom 46 were from Kangra alone. Overall, Kangra has reported the highest number of COVID cases from schools, 219, followed by Hamirpur with 200 cases. Additionally, 113 cases were recorded in Una, 30 in Mandi, 22 each from Bilaspur and Shimla, 14 in Kinnor, 8 from Kullu, 4 in Solan, and 1 each from Chamba and Lahore Spiti. It was also said that now over 305 of the students have recovered and the rest will be under home isolation till full recovery. However, the state has closed only those schools with reported infections for 48 hours. We hope you got an interesting view into the events of education this week. Subscribe to Indic Education, like and share the video, and do leave your comments below. Come back to our channel next week for a brand new episode, and until then, take care. This is Ravina signing off.